Hello guys, today we have the Homesuit 18-volt battery replacements for the Makita power tools. This pack comes with two batteries, one and the two. These two batteries are 18-volt lithium ion. Okay, they're actually a high endurance replacement battery. What this means is that they're actually high performance and long lasting. This pack also comes with the charger and the cable for the charger. What you need to do is simply get this cable, connect it to the side of the charger, connect this to the electricity. Once this beeps and this turns green, then you can actually place your battery to charge and the light will actually turn red. These batteries are a replacement for any Makita 14.4 or the 18-volt power tools. They're very simple to install. You simply place them at the bottom of the power tool, and to release them, you press this white button, and that's it. Very simple. One of the main features of these batteries is that they have an enhanced safety system, and is due to the ultra performance cells with multi-layer protection. It comes with 4 LED lights that you can use to monitor the battery left on your Homesuit battery. It just makes it very convenient. These batteries are very universal and they're compatible with either the green line of the Makita power tools or the black Makita power tools. This Homesuit replacement battery are very simple to use. They charge pretty fast and they also last very long. Thank you very much for watching, guys. See you on the next video.